Hello friends and welcome to our channel NutureMite, where we provide informative videos regarding health and lifestyle. Today, we are going to tell you the health benefits of arrowroot. Before we proceed further, I'd request you to like, share and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icons for more interesting videos and their notifications, which will boost us to do more videos. If you want to dislike our videos, first see all our videos and then tell us the reason for disliking so that we can improve in our next videos. Arrowroot. Arrowroot is a type of powdery starch that can be obtained from the roots or rhizomes of the Marantaceae family of plants. It is also known as arrowroot powder or arrowroot flour. It is a gluten-free food that is used as a replacement for cornstarch. Arrowroot is used in many dishes and ingredients like bread, pasta, cakes, etc. It is a valuable ingredient as it protects from celiac disease that is increasing, which is found in many countries. Arrowroot is a high nutrient food which has many benefits and less risk. It promotes proper growth and development of the body, increases metabolism and digestion, protects from heart diseases, birth defects, and many more. Fights foodborne pathogens. Arrowroot helps to fight pathogens that cause illness, which is caused in food and water. Better digestion. Arrowroot relieves indigestion, constipation, and diarrhea. It also helps to reduce the cholesterol, promotes cardiovascular health, and controls blood sugar levels in the body. Improved heart health. Arrowroot contains potassium, which promotes the flow of oxygenated blood in the body. It also lowers blood pressure in the body by reducing the tension in the blood vessels and arthritis. Arrowroot also reduces the risk of heart diseases, strokes, and atherosclerosis. Safe for infants. The starchy content and mild flavor of arrowroot makes it a safe ingredient in baby foods, including teething cookies for babies. It poses little to no risk of allergies and is ideally a gum-soothing food. Fights Salmonella virus. It fights various foodborne pathogens such as Salmonella virus, preparing the body's defense system against various diseases and disorders. Lower birth defects. Arrowroot contains folate, which prevents in the birth defects of the unborn baby. It also promotes rapid growth and speedy recovery of the body. Reduced stomach concerns. Arrowroot gives relief in celiac disease. As it is gluten-free, it can prevent the gastrointestinal discomfort, pain, and danger which one feels while suffering from gluten intolerance every day. Growth and development. Arrowroot contains proteins which help in the proper growth and development of the body. Weight loss. Arrowroot helps to lose the weight of the body as it contains lots of nutrients and it is low in calories too. Arrowroot is extremely low in calories as compared to other starches like yams, potatoes, or cassava. For this reason, people trying to remain on a diet can get complex carbohydrates and a wealth of nutrients as well as a healthy dose of dietary fiber, which can eliminate the desire to snack between meals. Arrowroot fills you up and gives you the minerals and vitamins your body needs. Boost immunity. Arrowroot is known for its treating in weakness, fatigue, and cognitive disorders. It also encourages oxygenation of your body's organ systems and extremities, which can boost your energy levels. Improved metabolism. Arrowroot contains vitamin B, which helps in the regulating process in the body. It is also used to maintain the acid-alkali balance in the body. How to buy and store arrowroot. Arrowroot is available as a powder, which is known as arrowroot powder. Buy only original arrowroot powder, as chances are there that it can be adulterated. Original arrowroot flour turns translucent, odorless, and jelly-like when added to boiled water. Store arrowroot in a cool and dry place, away from moisture and sunlight. Do not store it in a refrigerator. Uses of arrowroot. Traditional. Topical application of arrowroot powder heals wounds from black spider and scorpion bites. The powder was used to treat the injury from poisoned arrows, hence the name. Apply the powder in the affected area to cease gangrene. Directly apply arrowroot powder to the gums or mix it in juice or other beverages and drink it to get relief from mouth and gum pain. Agricultural uses. The rhizome can be fertilized to form compost. Shoot tip and leaves are used as feed for chicken, pigs, and goats. Manufacturing uses. Arrowroot is used in a lot of manufacturing products like sauce thickener, thickener in infants' formula. Leaves can be used as biodegradable plates, natural deodorant, cosmetics, replaces wheat in various gluten-free products. Skincare. It is a natural sweat absorbent, therefore used in cosmetics and powders. Its topical application also helps in curing blemishes, rashes, and other wounds. Treats athlete's foot. Athlete's foot is a common skin infection of the feet caused by fungus. You can use arrowroot powder to treat this infection by applying it to the affected area. The powder has the ability to absorb moisture and sweat, which makes it difficult for the fungus to grow and spread. Hair care. Arrowroot powder is also used as a dry shampoo by many. Its moisture-absorbing ability is useful in reducing the greasiness in hair. Treats urinary tract infection. The anti-inflammatory properties of arrowroot aids in curing bladder infections and urinary tract infections. Doctors advise its intake to those women who face frequent infection. Oral health. Arrowroot is a popular traditional remedy for inflamed, painful gums and sores in the mouth. It helps to provide a relief and soothing effect thanks to its anti-inflammatory properties. Safety profile. Arrowroot can cause diarrhea. Excess of arrowroot can cause constipation. Fun facts about arrowroot. Arrowroot was found to be a food, feed, fuel, and fiber resource. Arrowroot has almost no flavor of its own and will keep for several years. The name arrowroot is also applied to the edible starch produced from several other plant rhizomes such as those in the genera Canna and Taca. With prolonged cooking, arrowroot does not thin out as much as other starches. The arrowroot plant is native to the West Indies and Central America. It belongs to the same family as ginger. It was used by the original inhabitants of the area and it served as food but seems to have first been used for religious and medicinal purposes. The Indians used it in wounds inflicted by poison arrows, hence its name. Jamaica was once a producer and exporter of arrowroot. Nowadays, it is used in face powders, glues, confectionery, ice cream cones, and paper and textiles. Arrowroot is also the name of the edible starch produced from the rhizomes of the arrowroot plant. The fine white powder is used as a thickener in cooking. It is the most easily digestible of the cooking starches and has about twice the thickening power as flour. It produces a clear sauce with a glossy finish, excellent for fruit glazes and light savory sauces.
To like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more interesting videos and their notifications.